Your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number 25 of Writer's Month, or 365 days of self-discovery. And before we get to this video, I want you guys to go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I post a video. Go follow all my social media pages, link down in the description box below. But yeah, so before we do this, now let's get into this video. Okay, ooh, zoomed in too fast. So now today's writer's prompt is shopping. Oh, what's it? Shopping. Your shopping wish. What? Oh, what's your shopping wish list, and how your? I need to start over. Shopping list. What's on your shopping wish list, and how you would like to spend that money? What's on my shopping list? I got like pretty much everything, almost. Like I don't know, I probably might get, like, I was thinking this before I was like recording, that I might want to buy, like, I'm probably gonna keep DIY my wardrobe, or maybe get some pieces, because I wanted to like try like do my whole closet fully boho style. Like I have the skirts, I have the crop top, tank tops. I don't know, I'm a little bit cautious about my body wearing those stuff, but like full on boho style, go with that. I probably might not, I'm gonna get rid of some pair of my shoes because some of them might not fit me, but I'll probably give me new shoes. My mom was right. Like if I had, like, everyone was right. Like if I had a bunch of money, I would probably spend it on clothing, invest in my invest in my own business, like invest in the business that we're currently doing. I'm not gonna say anything about that much short. Okay, and what else? Probably like save to like yeah, invest in my business, getting clothing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But what I will buy now, like I don't know. Pretty much got almost, like, I got pretty much everything. Like every time I get something, like I'll probably buy some more incense. Like not incense, but like room sprays, because I like room sprays. I'll probably give me some with, like, I want to get like more lavender sprays with chamomile, because those like help me sleep and like good. And what else? I'll probably get like a lot of things. Like probably might get crystals. Like definitely need like start probably like do my whole crystals collection. I don't know. I probably will buy like, I don't know, probably like have my own, get me like a actual desk soon, and probably get me like a good desk, because the desk I have is pretty good now. I just know that for me, sooner than later, like I'll get a new desk, because I already got my new bed. I'm probably getting a new desk, like fit in my room, so I'm gonna like take all the stuff that's hiding under my bed and probably like put them all in there, because like I want my, well, I know my bed's like made for a storage area, but like, or probably have like a little storage area, like, you know those pull out drawer things, but like they, like, you can pull the whole thing out and have your stuff in it. I'm probably gonna do that under it, but I'll probably get something like that so I can organize. Like, I don't know, I would just spend on stuff that is like, for me, I'll spend on stuff that is gonna help benefit me later down the road, like drawer space, like under my drawers. Like I can help like organize my stuff so I don't have to keep coming back and like, okay, put that there, then like end up a couple months later my whole stuff is like mixed up, like the color schemes, because I organize it, the color schemes, like to white all the way to black. So like anything in between is have their own little cubbies, but now it's been mixed up. Then I also have jewelry and zippers and beads and wires and like all that stuff in one basket. Then that's patterns. Then the next one bugs, and then the next one like random stuff, just in case if I need, like, okay, put that there, so whenever time I get a chance I can organize that. So like, yeah, I have that area. So I'll probably get something to organize under my bed, or probably get a desk so I can put my stuff in, so I can have more space under my bed, so I can like eventually get more stuff. I know I do the same thing like my mom. Yeah, I just buy on like basically like no more stuff that I would probably like. Oh nice. Ooh, girl, my hat keep falling off. I made my hat to go with my outfit, which you'll see in my recreate soon, so you know. Probably not display to the necklace part, because like I don't know how to, you know, I'll tell you guys, you go ahead and follow that, but it's like, but yeah, I don't know what else. I don't know what's what about like shopping list, because it's like I pretty much get stuff that on like birthdays and birthdays already. What I get, like I have oh yeah, I might also buy rings. That's all. That's on my shopping list, wish list, is rings. Like get a whole full set of rings and have like a whole area just specifically rings, because I already got everything. I got my little book area, I got my makeup area, I got my jewelry area. I definitely was like happy when I like redesigned my room, like how I'm gonna make it. And plus, like when I had like redesigned it and made it, I made it like after like a while, like made specifically what I would do and what, because I wanted to like have my TV, because I had a TV, and where did I put it? I had it on the wall, like I think I had it on. I'm gonna show you. Excuse my room. My room is messy, so don't judge me. I know y'all rooms is probably watching my video right now, and y'all rooms are messy, so we don't judge over here. This is fully unfiltered, fun, and who cares? Like no judge zone. This is like a no judge zone. But I think I have my TV on this wall. Either this wall, because I think I have my bed. Where I have my bed? Before, I think I had my bed on this wall and my desk on that wall. Yeah, I have my bed on this wall, like on this wall, and my bed's right here, and right there my TV was, no, my bed was on this wall, my desk was on that wall, and my TV was on that wall. So when like I went to bed, I can just like pull the TV out so I can watch it and then push it back in. But I wanted to like have like a little box area. As you can see, like I made like a little box area so it can look like it's actually was built into the wall, but also like you can put stuff like under there. I put my remotes at, and also up there I put my candles at. So like, and also like the TV adapter thing where you can like change channels and stuff like that there. But also wanted like a kind of cute shelving unit so I can like put up my my jewelry and my photo albums, which is at the bottom. I also got my new fan. Like now that's a lifesaver, because one night I get burning hot, so like thanks mom for buying me that, because I needed the fan. It was hot. It's super hot right now, and I think, oh, I don't know if it disclosed my location or not. A lot of people disclose. I live in Georgia and it's hot, so like it is burning hot during the day, like for, well, right now, because before last time it was hot, but like we can stand the heat, because we used to be like we would live somewhere where it was like hot out already. But now that we live in Georgia and it's different, because our bodies had to adapt to the different environments, and it's hot. Like it's like I can put ice cream on the sidewalk right now and it'll melt instantly. So like it is hot. It's like, bruh. You guys probably seen the other day, like when I was recording that video, my whole press, like I did this like earlier today, and my press is like starting to like bounce back. Like I know my hair like can last like being straightened and crimped and stuff, but the humidity and being wet, like first hot, then wet, then hot and wet, and then cold, and then like hot again. I'm like, my hair like is like bounced back to like the natural form, and while the others like, I'm just gonna stick here. I'm like, no, my hair just like don't like my hair just changed with the weather. It's like, it's hot, okay, we're gonna frizz back up. It's cold, it's gonna stay like that, but it's gonna be like a little frizzy. But when it's hot and cold, and then it's like, I'm a frizz, but then the other part's just like still straight. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I don't know why I talked all about that, but hey, I was just getting fit. But yeah, I'll probably spend like money on some stuff that is like, I'll spend my money on, yeah, I definitely spend my money on shoes, clothes, and purses. Who, when I'm a girl, everyone knows like girls, they like to shop. Like, we like to shop balls. I will give me some, I don't care, I will give me some clothes, because how am I gonna else look pretty all the time? Like, I know I look pretty all the time without makeup and stuff like that, but like my clothing just gotta match my personality, what time I'm feeling today. So yeah, I'll definitely buy me shoes and clothes. I will definitely be making more of my jewelry, because like, I'm super shocked that I made this jewelry right here. Like, I was, because before I think like a long time ago when I got back into sewing and stuff, I went to start making jewelry. And when I made this, like started to make the chain part, I got frustrated. Like, this is gonna be time consuming, because I don't got patience for, I didn't have patience at the time. Like, I had to like learn patience. That's why I started sewing and doing stuff like this. It will teach you how to be patient. It will teach you that you need to do it precise, and also like help you with your math, your eye coordination, your hand coordination, how help you teach you patience. Because boy, when I tell you that was very painful to sit there and wait and like do it right, it was. Because like when I was doing this, I think it took me 3 days. Well, in those 3 days, I was doing like a lot of breaks. Like, I was like hanging out with family, so like I could have done basically in a day, but like it was definitely time consuming. Like, every time I got to it, I'm like, okay, do a little bit and then walk away, do a little bit and walk away, do a little bit and walk away. But I gotta finish it, and it looks very nice though. Like, as you can see, like it's actually movable. You can bend it, you can push it up, you can like clip it on and off. But it actually looked like necklace like you would buy from the store. I'm like, bruh, I did that. I'm like, doing these recreates is helping my creativity go up. So like, you guys try use some recreates. Like, try to recreate one of your outfits that you see from your favorite celebrity or person that you see on Instagram or TikTok, whatever. Like, doing this, it's helping like a lot. I'll link the video of the person I did this off of down in the description box below on both the recreate that I made and this video, because this was like really hard and challenging for me, because I didn't have patience to do it, and also it was challenging because like I never did know like jewelry from string. Well, I did do jewelry from string, but like not necklaces. Like, this is my first time ever making a necklace besides wire. Like, proud moment, like proud moment of this right here. But yeah, I was spending like, I just normal people do. Like, I buy stuff I need. I'll buy stuff that is beneficial for down the line. I'll buy stuff that will be definitely clothing and shoes and purses. Don't judge. And I'll definitely buy like stuff that I wouldn't need for like business and stuff like that, which we've been working on the tiny house back. So like, if you guys been like on our channel, on our family channel where we had done that, I might go back in and record some of the stuff that we did in the tiny house. Gonna show you guys what we got from before and now, because like we've been doing like little stuff. We ain't gonna tell you what we're gonna do till we actually finally finish, and then we'll tell you. But we been showing you guys a little bit clips and snippets of what is to come on there, so check it out. Go ahead and check it out. But yeah, That's why we do shopping. I was spending like my money on like normal stuff, but do this stuff. But that's it for this video, guys. I think so. I think we're done with this video. My earrings do look cute. Like, there's another things I'm proud of that I did is definitely these earrings. Like, you don't know how I made these earrings? I made these out of plastic. I should definitely, I want to see if I could like mess with people when I go out. Like, I'll wear these big earrings and wear this jewelry. I'll wear this whole outfit. Like, I'll go to the grocery store. We should do that for like a prank, like being bougie at a grocery store. That's gonna be a cool video. We should do that. That's gonna be a good video. Okay, but I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified I post a video. And also, don't forget to go follow my social media pages linked down in the description box below. I'll also have the end for this video, so you can go check it out. And what else? Yeah, so that's it for this video. And I'll see you guys next video, cuties. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie.